Welcome to this video on AI coding tools in 2026. We will explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence for software development. The trend shows a shift from simple line completion and snippet generation to more autonomous agency, including function-level, repository-wide, and multi-file autonomy. Architecture is critical, with three main models emerging: the plugin, like GitHub Copilot, the terminal, such as Claude Code, and the fork, exemplified by Cursor. GitHub Copilot excels in universal reach and stability, supporting over 6 major IDEs and offering simultaneous multi-model routing for a seamless workflow. Cursor rebuilds the IDE around AI-native primitives, using a core engine rebuilt in Rust for speed. It features parallel execution with nested subagents and rapid tab prediction. Claude Code focuses on autonomous execution of complex tasks via the command line interface. It offers large-scale context ingestion and agentic multi-step planning and self-debugging. Inline prediction differentiates tools. Copilot offers prediction first for low-latency single-file focus, while Cursor provides next-action prediction with multi-line cross-file awareness. Multi-file refactoring reveals key differences in execution. Copilot is developer-directed. Cursor uses parallel execution for 3 to 8 minute tasks, and Claude Code achieves autonomous reasoning in 2 to 5 minutes. Cloud agents are shifting execution from local machines to isolated VMs. Copilot integrates natively with GitHub Actions, while Cursor Cloud agents focus on visual proof of work. Codebase ingestion is key to complex reasoning. Copilot uses GitHub Code Search. Cursor offers deep semantic indexing, and Claude Code employs raw ingestion of up to 1 million tokens. Benchmarks show a split between accuracy and speed. Claude Code offers the highest accuracy at 72.5%. while Cursor provides maximum velocity with a 30% speed advantage. Enterprise governance demands defense in-depth strategies. Tools like Copilot and Cursor offer compliance features. Emerging AI governance includes using, Husson canaries to detect data indexing. Total cost of ownership varies based on agentic usage. Copilot Business offers a predictable flat-rate budget, while Claude Code's usage-based API metering is justified for complex refactoring tasks. The hybrid stack is the reality for power users. Combining a primary interface like Copilot Pro with an autonomous engine like Claude Code Pro offers maximum capability for about $30 per month. The key is matching the architecture to your workflow. Choose GitHub Copilot for multiple IDEs and IP indemnity. Choose Cursor for rapid prototyping. Choose Claude Code for maximum autonomy and deep integrations.